This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Jim Harbor. Great family home, 4 bedrooms and 3 and 1/2 bath. Entry level has 2 bedrooms, 2 and 1/2 bath, kitchen, dining room and living area. Laundry room, on-demand water heater for primary bath, no carpet, new HVAC 2024 and new roof 2024. Huge deck. Beautiful landscaping with sprinkler system, AMD gas fire pit. Lower level has 2 bedrooms and 1 bath, den and large storage area. Conventional water heater downstairs and a washer and dryer hookup. Also another garage downstairs with private entrance. Bonus room upstairs that could be used for almost anything. Located on a nice quiet cul-de-sac, only minutes to the 270 bypass. Lake Hamilton School District. Agent C remarks. For more information